stick to fly out, and push forward to fly down. Weapons are online.
Gunners, hold it, hold it.
Left pilot, hit the booster.
Blue.
I know.
Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Corellia, let's go.
Train. Yes, yes, keep shooting.
You want me all the time, don't you?
They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that train.
Ambulance coming.
Right engineers, fire the harpoons. Now gunners, shoot the cargo free. The pilots free. All right. My friends, that could have been much worse. Okay. It's much worse.
And on a mission. Power up.
Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I grab Team Gold Axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Plus, shoot the train. Engineers,
Hit it, engineers. Hit it.
Going.
Keep going.
Going.
keep shooting.
Keep going. Got it.
Good job, my friend. Yes, yes, yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep after that train. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. I've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry.
Gentle. Are you ready to hit that
Coming down. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Boost. 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 Look. We did not die. Let's get out of here.
Okay, we got it. Oh, we're gonna be fine.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Yes, that's the computer. That's because.
Hey, we got 8.
We didn't do it.
I got 8.
Yeah, we're still over there, so.
I got 700.
R5, damage
Still
reform.
moving now.
Yeah.
Engine failure. Alright.
We're in our thing.
Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures. Well, it could be worse. Life support failure. Okay, that's something. Yeah, I'm just going to cut you off there. It might be faster if you list the parts that are not damaged. Time for you to go. Don't worry, the payment is on the way.